Hey everyone, it's the DIY Gizmo guy, and today I'll be showing you how to make this awesome succulent planter. So I was looking at the succulent pot from Home Depot, but it looked a bit too plain for my taste. Since my dad loves gardening, I thought a cooler 3D printed pot would make the perfect Father's Day gift. To design this pot, I used Fusion 360. Here you can see all the steps I used to make this pot, including the custom text and holes at the bottom, the rim at the top, and the cactus spikes. If you guys want to make this yourself at home, I'll add some Thingiverse links to the F3D and STL files in the description below. And now I'll let you enjoy the time lapse. And the print is complete. After getting the print off my printer, and with some paint and a brush, there we have it, an awesome looking succulent pot that makes the perfect gift. Thanks for watching everyone, and if you liked my video, consider sharing and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.